YouTube, it's your guy, TopDownKickz with a Z, back with another banger. I got these Air Jordan Retro 12 called the Bordeaux, released 2017. We got a lot of work because they separated. They don't need any suede restoration, but they need a lot of cleaning, some icing on the bottoms, right? And we're gonna get to it. Let's go. So about icing for about 24 hours, broken up in 3-4 sessions. This is the results. We still need to clean up. Take this acetone with a rag, with this Icy Clean Oxy Cleaner with a liquid spray bottle, mix it in well to start this next session of this icy soul. Let go. No cap, it's the results, man. I'm not gonna keep working on this pair of these shoes because I got a lot going on. But I'm gonna glue these bad boys down, get them ready. Trust the process. Watch the full video. Let go. Z. The ending results, man, before and after real quick. Had to wrap it up, man. Apologize, but Z, check my other videos out on my YouTube page. You won't be disappointed. Let's go.